Are you from Boston? Are you from Boston? I am from Egypt. I am from Boston. Where is it from? It's not from me. Get away from Tom. Keep away from me. Keep away from the fire. The wind is coming from the north. The wind is coming from the north. Drinks will be served from 7 o'clock. Drinks will be served from 7 o'clock. He lives 5 minutes from here. He lives 5 minutes from here. Paper is made from wood. Paper is made from wood. Stay away from the fire. Stay away from the fire. Stay away from us. He stole money from me. He stole money from me. I am hiding from Tom. I am hiding from Tom. It's not far from here. It's not far from here. Don't move from here. Don't move from here. He fell from the tree. He fell from the tree. I just heard from Tom. I just heard from Tom. I am from a big family. Where did it come from? Where did it come from? Have you heard from him? Have you heard from him? Get down from your horse. Get down from your horse. Study harder from now on. Study harder from now on. He sent me a card from Spain. He sent me a card from Spain. Our office starts from 10 o'clock. Our office starts from 10 o'clock. Glass is made from sand. Glass is made from sand. Where are you from? Where are you from? Stay away from it. Stay away from it. He stole from me. He stole from me. I got that from him. I got that from him. Is it far from here? Is it far from here? See what's from 9. See what's from 9. I bought it from John. I bought it from John. He ran away from home. He ran away from home. I learned it from you. I learned it from you. I could walk from here. I could walk from here. Can I buy that from you? Can I buy that from you? Bread is made from wheat. Bread is made from wheat. I am calling from Boston. I am calling from Boston. I need help from someone. I need help from someone. What do you want from us? What do you want from us? I finished the video here today. If you like the video, please like or comment. And if you can, share the video with your friends. If you want to learn English, you have to practice regularly and learn new sentences. Otherwise, it is not possible to speak English because the practice is the key to success. So, practice regularly. Stay well and keep learning English with me.